have had 2 commissioners of police in the last 3 weeks. Now, if we take security as a very serious component of the electoral process, what does it suggest if the federal government begins to change security personnel a few days to an election? What experience and knowledge of the terrain do they bring? No matter how brilliant they can be as officers, security is always a local issue. We have, so it gives some room for concern that this cannot be a decision in the best interest. And that's why I've said we can say the right things. Do we do, and are we doing the right things? Logic will indicate that this is not the time to experiment with security.